to be a D-Day darling. Firstly, a D-Day darling backcombs her hair and pins it back as shown. It is important she brings enough pins and hairspray so that nothing falls out of place. Using a roller, a darling will roll her hair behind her neck, where more pins and a hairnet will keep it tightly in place. With her hair done and secure, she can now move on to makeup. Firstly, all darlings start with foundation. She chooses a color that matches her complexion and applies generously across her entire face. This is followed by a little concealer under her eyes and powder to set it all in place. Blush is also very important. A darling will always place this onto the tops of her cheeks for a natural rosy glow. Next is the eyeshadow. Darlings use colors that appear natural on their skin. Watch as she blends it gently into the crease of her eyes. To enhance her eyes, a darling then draws her eyeliner delicately across her eyelid in a thin line. Mascara is also applied with a light hand on both the top and the bottom lashes, all to help her eyes dazzle. Now the eyebrows. Darlings always fill in their brows using a color that best matches her own. Remember, brows are sisters, not twins. Lastly, the trademark D-Day darling lip. She starts by lining her lips, following the outline as precisely as she can. She then fills them in with a matte lipstick that matches the color of her lip liner. True darlings always pick red. And so, the D-Day darling transformation is complete. And if it doesn't go to plan, just keep calm and carry on. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, that's the D-Day darlings over and out.